Welcome to Jung's channel. In this video, we're going to have a walking tour in one of Leipzig's large towns. It is a cathedral city for 900 years and also known to be the birthplace of the famous poet Joachim Ringelplatz. So brace yourselves as we're going to watch and discover the beautiful Wurzen Germany.
The train station of the area would have been nice, but it was a victim of vandalism. I appreciate it anyway because the place made an effort to make their train station attractive. Near their train station is a big park. In their area, there is actually no Straßenbahn or the train that goes around the city, so buses and private vehicles can be used to reach every corner of the place. But as I noticed during my visit, Wurzen is not difficult to visit. The attractions here are not far from each other. On my way around the area, I came across a large church, the Church of Saint Wenceslai. It is an evangelical Lutheran town church of Saint Wenceslai in Wurzen. It is actually a three-aisled whole church whose current appearance dates from the years of 1663 to 1673. The church actually looks like a museum. You can climb to the church tower using the spiral staircase until you will reach the location of the bells. It is actually a donation of €1 for those who want to climb up the stairs, going to the top of the tower. I was amazed to see the situation at its peak. There you can see the very old tools of the ancients who managed the church. Every quarter of the tower is preserved so that the next generation can still see it. Another wonderful experience is to see the wide plains of Wurzen from the window. The cityscape is totally captivating. Indeed, it is a rare opportunity to enter the Church of Saint Wenceslai and see its wonderful history. 5 minutes away from the church, you will reach Wurzen Town Hall. Actually, its overall appearance is still dominated by houses built at the end of the 19th century. However, extensive reconstruction also preserved buildings from the 17th and 18th centuries. This is the Cathedral of St. Marien in Wurzen, a late Gothic double-choir pillar basilica with towers at the east ends of the side aisles, and the interior was significantly redesigned in 1932 in the monumental local style. Next to the church is the big castle. It was built from 1491 to 1497 in the late Gothic style with elements of the early Renaissance by the Meissen bishop Johann VI, built by Saalhausen as a bishop residence. Today, the castle is converted into a hotel and restaurant. You have to be really excited to enter and take a look at the place because it's free. There's no admission and you can even eat inside and outside the castle. The food there is also affordable, and the best part of it is that you can see the entire room of the castle and you will see how beautiful it is. The place is truly amazing, especially for someone like me who only gets to come and experience the chance to enter the castle once. And since it is also a hotel, you can experience living in the castle even for a short time. The staff at the castle are also attentive, they're also accommodating, so you don't have to worry about them. I was really surprised by the place. There is totally so many things that we can do and learn around the place. What I have shared with you all are just a few of the beautiful parts of the history of the place. I hope that you will have the chance to visit Wurzen.
So I hope that you like this video and this would also guide you and help you to your future travel here in Wurzen, Germany. Before I'm going to end this video, I would like to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. This is Jung's channel. Until my next travel, choose!